Have you ever been ready for a delightful indulgence? Then keep on watching.
Hey sassy people! Welcome to another unboxing episode here in Sassytoys channel. Today, we are going to unbox Delightful Indulgence, the Dania Zarr dressed doll. Without further ado, let us now open this box. This doll is from Fashion Royalty 7 Sins online event collection, designed by Jessie Ayala, serving as glutinous for fashion and luxury. In this side of the box, you will see her extravagant black train with sophisticated floral pattern. This doll comes with certificate of authenticity with edition size of 1000. This side of the box, you will find the base of the doll stand, and this side you will find the saddle stand. Next, let us now take her out of the box. And now she's here! Wow, I really love her sophisticated look, starting from her updos, smoky eyeshadow, and her black dress. Now, let us remove her hairnet. She's really the perfect blend of elegance and boldness. She also comes with black lace underneath her slit. And just a heads up, her dress or maybe the lace left us stains on her calves. Here's the closer look of the Dania Zarr without her accessories. This doll has the body type of FR 6.0 with skin tone of Japan and a hair color of pale blonde and with hand-applied eyelashes. Here are the accessories that comes with this doll.
Can't
of delightful Indulgence Dania Zarr dress doll.
Reboot, I'm cold red, my service automated, like data running through my veins. Got you distracted, subconscious overloaded. Careful, don't pull the cord on me. No time to stay around. Keep walking till you get out of my face. Regrets, restricted access. I'm just a flight to get up here. We love discharging. I can't waste my time with someone slowing me down, 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 down. So high, I'm floating. I'm shining in my prime. Start rolling over 'cause you can't take my crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. My crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. Can't take my crown. Can't take my crown. Can't take my crown. Rewind my circuits, but you don't get that courage, 'cause you can handle my game. No, my drive's a puzzle. I got you so bumfuzzled, 'cause you can fall into my pain. No time to stay around. Keep walking till you get out of my face. Regrets, restricted access. I'm just a flight to get up here. We love discharging. I can't waste my time with someone slowing me down, 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 down. So high, I'm floating. I'm shining in my prime. Start rolling over 'cause you can't take my crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. My crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. Can't take my crown. Can't take my crown. I won't waste my love on your heart. Sorry, 'cause I can't get what I want, and I don't need you. Discharging, I can't waste my time with someone slowing me down, 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 down. So high, I'm floating. I'm shining in my prime. Start rolling over 'cause you can't take my crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. My crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. Can't take my crown.
For me, she's 100% sassy.
Can't take my crown. Can't take my crown.
So there we have it, guys. What do you think? Is she a must-have or a pass? Please comment down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to hit that little bell button to receive our latest update. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Here's the comment of the day. Thank you.